Okay, physics students, today you're going to be working on the SoundWaves Introductory Lab, and this is a PhET simulation like we've done like we did with the Waves on the String lab. Basically, you're going to open up this document called SoundWaves Introductory Lab, and this is posted in Classroom. And if you're here, you already know that. When you get to the first set of instructions, it tells you to click on the Waves intro. So click on that, and that will bring up the simulation. Because we're working on sound waves, click on the sound box here. I have to double click it. And basically what this gives you is a speaker, and you can turn it on by pressing that green button. And you can see that it starts making sound waves, and it makes continuous sound waves if it's in this mode here. If you press this, it just makes one pulse wave. All right, anyway, now let's reset this. You can just hit that orange button. Go ahead and press the green button and it'll start making sound waves. Now you might not hear it, so what you want to do is come over here and hit play tone. And you can vary the frequency here. Or you can vary the amplitude. If you want, you can put a graph on there. What I think is particularly interesting is when you put it in terms of particles, since this is really what's going on. It's not the ripples of a water wave, but rather it's the particles of air that are constantly colliding with one another. And it's also kind of neat to look at both, and that kind of helps you visualize what's going on here a little bit more. You can slow it down if you want to. You can switch it to side view, although I don't really know that that makes any difference. So anyway, that is what you're going to see in the simulation. And then you're going to just answer the questions, what you know about sound waves, what you can see in that lab about sound waves, but you'll use information from the notes that you took today and from the lab to be able to answer these questions. And it uses the vocabulary that we were talking about in both the lab and the notes. All right.